Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to add bank to Cashapp without debit card. So Cashapp gives you two options to link your bank account to the Cashapp application. So you can either do it by adding your card details and link your debit card or credit card to Cashapp in order to make transfer between your bank account to your Cashapp, or you can either add your bank account directly to your Cashapp to make transfer possible between your bank to your Cashapp. So for that, you just have to open your Cashapp, and here just click on the profile icon at the top right corner of your mobile screen. Now just scroll down a bit and click on link bank, and here just click on link debit card. And then since we don't want to link our Cashapp through a debit card, we can simply click on no card. And here you can select the bank you want to link from your Cashapp without linking your debit card. You just simply select the bank you want to link from your credit card. Now you have to mention your user ID and password in order to successfully link your bank account to your Cashapp. So this is how simple it is to link your bank account without any debit card to your Cashapp.
If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to like it,
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos.
and I'll see you the next time.